Welcome guys, so today I am with Jabra Elite 85T and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. Okay, so at the first, before the pairing, just remember to charge the case and earbuds itself at least to the 50% thanks to this USB-C port. Next step, just open the case and you have to take them both earbuds from the case. Okay, never mind. And right now we have to move them to the pairing mode, so we have to click and hold these two buttons until one of the indicator blinks on the blue. The right one is blinking, so we can release, put them back. Right now we have to open the Bluetooth settings. We can get the Jabra Elite 85T from the available devices list. Accept pairing request, and as you can see right now we are connected. So another step, we have to go for the Play Store or App Gallery if you are using the Huawei phone, and we have to get the Jabra Sound Plus application, this one. Okay, right now we can open this application, click to allow Bluetooth. Click to continue at the bottom, and as you can see right now we are connected with our application. You can tap skip. Right now we can find here a lot of different options, like for example you can pair your you can change the sound equalizer settings, or for example change the sound modes. Basically, when you previously connect this earbuds by using the Bluetooth settings, you will also get them in the application straight, so you don't have to waste time to pair them step by step. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.